Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 11 from sloka number 21. Amititvam surasangha vishanti kechid bhitav pranjalayo grinanti swasti yuktva maharshi siddha sangha stuvanti tvam stutibhih pushkalabhih. The host of gods surrender unto you, Lord. Krishna's manifestation was seen by Arjuna, and he is exclaimed, and seeing all this manifestation, Arjuna was now talking that the host of gods surrender unto you, fear stricken, some praise you with folded palms, while factions of rishis praise you with meaningful hymns, saying peace throughout the universe. रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्याः विश्वेश्विनौ मरुतश्चोष्मपाश्च गन्धर्वयक्षा सुरसिद्धसङ्घाः वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे. The Rudras, Adityas, Vasus, Sadhyas, and Vishwadevas, Ashwinis, Maruts, ancestors, Gandharvas, Yakshas, demons, and Siddhas all are awestruck on seeing you. Rupam Mahate Bahuvatra Netram Mahabaho Bahubahurupadam Bahudaram Bahudamshra Karalam Drishtva Lokav Pravyatitham Stathaham. O mighty armed, having seen your great form with many mouths, eyes, arms, thighs, feet, and bellies, and your many fearsome teeth, the world trembles as I do. Nabhasprishan Deeptamanekavarnam Vyatananan Deeptavishalanetram Drishtva Hitvam Pravyatithantaratma Dhritinna Vindami Samascha Vishnu. O Vishnu, your blazing form, touching the sky, multicolored mouth gaping with enormous fearsome eyes, give me neither courage nor peace, and I tremble with fear. Damshrakaralani chate mukhani dristvaiva kala nalasannibhani disho na jane na labhe cha sharma prasida devesha jagannivasa. Seeing your teeth that glow like the fire of eternal destructions, I have lost my bearing and find no comfort. Be merciful, O gods of gods. Ami chatvan dhritarashtrasya putraः सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्घैः भीष्मो द्रोणस्तूतपुत्रस्तथासौ सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः. All the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with the kings, and Bhishma, Drona, and Karna, and some other warriors, are going into your mouth. Vaktrani te tvaramana vishanti damshrakaralani bhayanakani kechit vilagna dashanantareshu sandrishyante churnitairuttamanghaihi. Some other warriors are rushing headlong into your fearful mouths with their many teeth, and some have their head crushed, between your teeth. यथा नदीनां बहवोऽम्बुवेगाः समुद्रमेवाभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तथा तवामि नरलोकवीराः विशन्ति वक्त्राण्यभिविज्वलन्ति. Just like a gushing river enter the seas, these worldly warriors rush headlong into your flaming mouth. यथा प्रदीप्तं ज्वलनं पतङ्गाः विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगाः तथैव नाशाय विशन्ति लोकाः तवापि वक्त्राणि समृद्धवेगाः. They rush into your mouths like moths, fly into the blazing fire, and all are destroyed. लेलीह्यसे ग्रसमानः समन्तात् लोकान् समग्रान् वदनैर्ज्वलद्भिः तेजोभिरापूर्य जगत् समग्रं भासस्तवोग्राः प्रतपन्ति विष्णो. O Vishnu, you devour all creatures with your fierce mouths, enveloping the entire universe with your terrible and splendorous rays.